I'm Sid Shivnath, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. You might have seen me do the 2x2 all the way up to the 4x4, but today I'm going to take out something much more challenging, the 5x5 Rubik's Cube. I'm going to scramble this, then I'm going to set a stopwatch on this phone. So I'm going to scramble it up. Okay, it's all scrambled up now. And I'm going to set the stopwatch. 3, 2, 1, go. Finish the centers of the 5x5, and now I'm gonna do the edge piece pairing. I finished the edge piece pairing, and now I'm gonna solve this like a 3x3. Okay, I finished, and I took 7 minutes 31 seconds. Okay, so I finished solving 5x5, and thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Sid Shivnath. Bye everyone.